Hi, my name is Gideon Dzhivhuho, the brand international. I'm an ambassador. Listen to this. I want to share to you the benefits of having a funeral policy in the hands of
Nation Funeral Policy. We wipe away your tears.
To you.
For when death comes to you, it doesn't knock.
It comes
at the wrong time.
Listen to this. We are well trained to give you comfort, good and fit track which will help you deliver everything. We mean chairs, food, etc. and etc. Come and be a part of this Nation Funeral Policy, which is well known around Africa, and it's about to expand to the world. We cater for all ages, right from ages 1 to the youth. This is the best place to be. Remember, death comes untimely at the wrong time, and all you'll need is money. Not just money, but enough cash. This is what we do.
We offer you a rocket 100,000 rands in cash in less than 24 hours of your claim. Just imagine that. Whether you are rich or poor, you deserve a dignified funeral. Do not worry if many neglected you and no one is on your side. We will give you 20 team members for free to carry you and place you in your final resting place. Are you rich? Are you poor? We cater for both sides. We give you luxurious cars, expensive cars of these modern days, such like Mercedes-Benz, BMWs, Toyotas, which are valued at $1 million each. You deserve respect.